Yo, what's up guys? How you guys doing today? Welcome back or to the channel. Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to completely strip down your LS intake manifold. So this will work for a 4.8, 5.3, 6.0 and 6.2 LS engines. So if yours looks just like this, then follow these quick steps and you guys will be able to break down your whole entire intake manifold. So all you need is a 10 mil and an 8 mil. And also you can use an extension if you want. You also need a ratchet. So after you pop off the cover, you will see two bolts right here and you might have one right here. These are 10 mils, so go ahead and pop those off. So once you guys get those 2 or 3 10 mils out, all you need to do is just pop that up. So now what you need to do is go ahead and switch to your 8 mil and take these bolts out. Is grab your 8 mil and loosen up the fuel rail bolt right here. Now what you want to do is go ahead and pry up your fuel rail. This might be a little bit difficult to do. Boom. Now you just go over to the other side. Mine is a 10 mil, yours will be an 8. And now you can go ahead and pop up your fuel rail. And now you can fully remove your fuel rail and set it over to the side. And then remove your only injector that stayed in. Now what you want to do is go ahead and take your 8 mil. Now you do have this pressure sensor on the back, and the only thing you have to do is spread these two pieces apart and then lift this up. But because I'm not too worried about it, I'm just going to go ahead and leave it in. This, I'm not 100% sure if this actually comes out or not, along with this right here and this one, or this one or that one, or that one. I really don't know what those are for. Then there's like 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7. So if any of you guys know what these right here are for, if you guys know what these right here are for, definitely let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, so now that you have your intake manifold fully disassembled, now you can go ahead and clean it up really good if you want to. You can take yours to, you can power wash it, or you can clean it up really good and then you can do whatever with it. So because this is faded on both sides, what I plan on doing is getting some tape, taping off all the bolt holes, and then I just plan on painting this thing back to black. But I also have a custom paint job that I plan on doing to this intake manifold. Seems how this video is long enough. You guys are gonna have to wait until the next video to see how I plan on painting this. So we're gonna paint it and then we're gonna custom paint it in the next video. Along with the fuel rail and the fuel line that goes here is gonna be painted, and also the coil pack brackets are gonna be painted as well. So stay tuned for the next video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.